It is my second last day in Goa. We will be leaving tomorrow evening. So we're trying to maximize what we can do today, and I don't think we'll really be going out. Today's work is going to be mostly at home because we're going to be cooking a lot. Inez has offered to make us some sweets and stuff. So she's going to be doing that. Mom is going to be helping her and I am going to be documenting the whole process. We are going to be making dos, which is the sweet made of coconut and chana dal. And if you would like to see different Goan sweets if you're not from here, I have made a separate video tasting them. I'm going to link it over there. We also making bibik today, Mom.
Yes, we are.
Yes, bibik or bibinka. That's one of Inez's specialties. It's like this layered pudding cake type thing. It's really good. And I think we will also be making some savory dishes and stuff. So I will be hanging out in the house and I'll just be showing you guys the visual process of that. I don't think I will be providing recipes in this video, but I will link you to some very credible recipes in the description bar if you would like to attempt to make these things. Inez is such a good cook that she makes everything kind of instinctually, like she doesn't have to pause and read a recipe. It's all in her head and her hands are moving really quickly. How it's done in these older village homes with firewood and all is a little different from how you would do it in your house maybe, but this is the proper, authentic, traditional way of making these dishes. So a bit of a lighter lunch today because we literally just had second breakfast and I was even happy to skip lunch because I'm still full. This is some prawn pulao and then there is some sausages. These are like choris or Goan rosary bead sausages as they're called, that we had purchased from Margao yesterday along with some potato. I'm not so fond of the sausage itself, but I love how it flavors anything else you put with it, because my mom makes sausage pulao at home and the rice becomes so yummy. So these potatoes are definitely going to be extra flavorful. done those from today's cooking session, and this does not include the little corner pieces. When you're cutting them, they come out irregular. These are all of the nice pieces. Those is always cut in this lovely diamond shape, and she created this texture on the outside with the help of forks, and it also smells really nice. One of my favorite Goan sweets. So it's time to taste the dosa now. I've already tasted a few of the little like scrap pieces, but yeah, it's really soft and it's not overtly sweet, so you can eat this kind of guilt free. Oh my god, the texture is nice. Did you taste it, Ma?
No, I will taste so.
It's really good.
Put that light now.
Here's some rice. There is a little bit of ʴᴑᴜᴜᴜ, of course. There is some fried beef on the side, and then there's also a vegetable. What's it called in Konkani? Tamre bhaji, which literally means red vegetable, pretty much. And I think this is called amaranth in English. I'm not 100% sure, but it's a red leafy vegetable with coconut, and it's all really, really good. We've been a little bit busy with packing and stuff, and we're getting ready to say goodbye to the place, but this is the last lunch today here in Goa. We're having rice, coconut milk based rosa kodi, some few fried prawns, and some ʴᴑᴜᴜᴜ on the side. What are you doing there? Babu? He's just ignoring me. Nice, neat.
Yeah.
I thought I'd say thank you to Inez. It's been really fun spending time with her. So thank you, Inez. Yeah, it was nice to be here, and hopefully we can be back soon. It's time to leave and go back home to Mumbai. I really enjoyed my time here. I remember the last time I was here and vlogging, I said that I don't know when I'll get to come next, and then when we had a global pandemic, that became all the more complicated and I didn't know when I would get to come here. So the fact that mom and I could just make this trip and spend some time here meant a lot to me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little series of vlogs. Also, I feel like this time was a little bit more boring because we couldn't really move about too much, but we prioritized our and other people's safety over everything. So yes, if things became a little bit repetitive, I'm sorry. Just know that I had a nice trip and I tried to document it in the best possible way that I could. I don't know when I'll be back here again, but I do hope that I will come back sometime soon. This house and this place means a lot to me, which is why I was hesitating before I vlogged here the first time. It's some place that I've spent a lot of my childhood also, and I remember when I was in school not liking coming here, not liking being away from my friends, not liking being away from the modernities of the city, really missing all those things. But it was only when I got to my early 20s that I learned to appreciate how wonderful these trips were, how they gave me a unique and like varied experience that not everyone gets to have, and how this place also helped me learn to interact with animals, because if I'd never stayed here, I don't think I would have been as comfortable around like cats, dogs, goats, hens, all of that. Now that it's back to the city, I will be doing my regular at-home vlogs over on my vlog channel. If you guys enjoyed these, you can come over there and say hi as well. I will see you guys next time.